Good morning, ma'am. My name is Prince Singhis, currently studying general medicine from Assam Medical University. Today I will be showing you algorithm for injecting intravenous injections. So here I begin. Now the equipments we will be needing is 2 ml syringe and alcohol cotton balls and a tourniquet and most importantly medical gloves. And we need 2 medical class waste, class A and class B. Now here I begin. Before starting the procedure, we need to wash our hands properly, and the algorithm for washing our hands is like this. After washing our hands, we need to sanitize our hands with the sanitizer, and it has the same procedure as washing our hands. Now after washing our hands, we need to wear our gloves, and the fashion in which we have to wear our gloves is, firstly we need to put our 2 fingers inside the gloves and we will wear it. Now the next gloves we will be wearing by using 3 fingers of the next hand. Now after wearing the gloves, we need to check the expiry date of the injection and of course of the medicine. Now the expiry date of the injection is 2025 March and the expiry date of the medicine is 2026 February. Now after the checking the expiry date, we need to peel out the wrapper of the injection and medicine and take out the injection and put this waste in class A. Now after taking out the injection, we need to take out its cap. Now we will put medicine into the injection. And now we will put this waste into class A. And after putting this waste into class A, we will ensure that there are no air bubbles left inside the syringe. So we will push it bit upwards. Now there are no air bubbles left. Now we will close the syringe and put it in a sterile tray. Now after we have prepared all our equipments, we will be meeting to the patient. So here is my patient Pawan Bist, and we will be injecting the injection into him. Now please put your sleeve. Now to examine the vein in which we have to inject the medicine, we have to put the tourniquet around his hand so that the vein could palpate and we are clear about in which vein we have to insert the medication. Now before injecting, we need to ensure that the area in which we are injecting the vein is properly sterilized, so we will use alcoholic cotton balls and we will clear the area and put it in class waste B. Now as we can see, the vein is clearly visible. Now we will be injecting the medication at an angle of 35 degrees and we will holding the injection in this manner. 2 fingers supporting from side by side and 1 finger from the above. Now after putting the injection inside his vein, we will use another cotton ball and we will press it from the upwards and slowly we will inject the medication, and then we will lose the tourniquet. You can lose the tourniquet. After losing tourniquet, we can remove the injection from his veins, and we will use another cotton balls to clear the area and the blood around the vein. And after doing this, we will remove our gloves, medical gloves from our hands, and once again we will be repeating the same algorithm of washing our hands and sanitation. And after washing our hands, we have cleared out all the things, and that's it. Thank you.